I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a stove in Sketchup. First, let's establish the main body. Start by drawing a rectangle on the ground plane, perhaps 30 inches wide by 24 inches deep. Then, use the push/pull tool to extrude it upwards, giving it a height of about 36 inches. This forms the basic cabinet structure for your stove, providing a solid foundation for all subsequent details. Now let's add the essential features. On the top surface, draw 4 circles for your burners, each about 8 inches in diameter. Use push/pull to slightly indent them, giving a realistic appearance. For the control panel, draw small circles on the front face and extrude them outwards by about 1/2 inch to create the knobs. These details bring your stove to life. Next, we'll tackle the oven door. On the front of your stove body, draw a large rectangle for the door opening, leaving a few inches of space around the edges. Use the offset tool to create an inner frame, perhaps 1 inch thick. Then, use push/pull to recess the inner part of the door by about 1/4 inch, giving it a realistic inset look. Finally, let's refine your stove. Apply materials like stainless steel for the body and black for the burners using the paint bucket tool. Group individual components such as the door and knobs to keep your model organized. Consider adding a simple handle to the oven door and grates over the burners for extra detail. Your Sketchup stove is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.